you have to have a separate R&D department in your enterprise to ensure that you do some substantial research and do things which are going to satisfy your customer. They say post delivery service apartments, when you buy an apartment, they have this right after you possess the apartment, maybe after 2 to 3 years they will be coming and repairing any fault happen. So that type of what warranty and guarantee you provide to the customers, and all the customers really satisfied with your product, you have to have a feedback mechanism to get that. So only then your your firm can do very well in the market. Otherwise, it is not going to reap the desired profit which you aim for in the market. So functions of an entrepreneur. So far, we have seen characteristics, or 7 characteristics of an entrepreneur. First one is hard work, which is without which you cannot have a good enterprise. High desire for high achievement. You all have to always aim high for your company. Highly optimistic. So be positive always, even though you face lots of obstacles in your path. Independence in decision making. Okay, you should be your own boss. You should not be guided by anybody. Foresight is the ability to see what is happening in a little time later. Okay. Good organizer, converting all the resources into products efficiently. And finally, innovative. Innovative is you do something new to satisfy your customers. When you create a new product or existing product, you change something, your customers are happy. So that is going to be innovative. So these are the characteristics of an entrepreneur. So I again say these are very, very ideal qualities. And even if you have 60 to 70% of these qualities, you can claim to be an entrepreneur in paper, unless you venture out into the market and perform in practice.